let us find the square root of 1764. Now, we have discussed one method which is the prime factor method. In the prime factor method, if the numbers are large, then to find out the factors becomes little cumbersome. So, therefore, we use another method which is called the long division method. Now, the advantage of the long division method is, number one, it saves time. Number two, even if it is not a perfect square, we will be able to find out the answer in decimals. So, what is the procedure for performing the long division? We will have to start from the right side of the number given. So, after every two numbers starting from the right, we will put commas. So, 1, 2, we are going to put a comma here. So, we have 64 as one block and 17 as another block. Now, we have to multiply a number by itself and get a number either equal to 17 or less than 17, but it should not be greater. So, we have 1 into 1 as 1, 2 into 2 as 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16. Now, if I multiply 5 with 5, I am going to get 25, which is a number greater than this number 17. So, we can't do that. So, we are going to take the number 4. So, 4 is multiplied by 4, we will get 16. Now, we can't take 4 3 are 12, 4 5 are 15 also. We will have to take this number and this number same. The number has to be multiplied by itself. So, 4 into 4 is 16. Subtract this, 7 minus 6 becomes 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, after getting this, we are going to take down the next block of numbers. Now, next block of numbers means 64. Unlike division where we take one number at a time, in the long division to find out the square roots, we are going to find this by taking two numbers down. So, the two numbers, next two numbers are 6 and 4. So, this number becomes 164. Now, look at the number on top, that is the quotient. At the moment it is 4. Whatever is this number, we will have to double that. So, double 4 we get 8. So, we are going to write here 8. Now, along with 8 we are going to put a number and multiply by the same number, which means that if I am going to put 8 and 1, then if I am putting 1, I will have to multiply with 1. So, 81 into 1 will give me 81, which is not equal to this. So, if I am putting now 2, 82, then I have to multiply 82 with 2. So, this number and this number has to be same. So, 82 into 2 we get 164. So, therefore, we are going to write here 82 into 2 will give you 164. So, this remainder becomes 0 and therefore, we can say 1764 is a perfect, we get a perfect square because 42 square is 1764 and the root of 1764 is 42. We can repeat this process with 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers or 4-digit numbers or n number of numbers. That number of digits will just help you to find out how many digits the answer will have. So, if we have 1764, we have two blocks, therefore, this will have a 2-digit answer. So, suppose oral question can be asked that if we are finding out the square root of 32856 example, then how many numbers will the answer have before the decimal? So, here starting from the right side putting commas, so 1 2 1 2, so I have a block here of 56. I have another block here of 28 and 3 is alone. So, this answer will have 3 digits as the answer. Of course, it may or may not be followed by decimals. If it's a perfect square root, then we will get a 3-digit answer, or then there will be a 3-digit followed by decimals. Now, let us take another example of this long division method. Let us find out the square root of 4096. So, if we have the number 4096, again putting the commas from the right side 1 and 2. So, here we have two numbers, that is 40. So, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. We are taking 36 because 7 into 7 is 49, that becomes more than this. Subtract this, we get 4. Bring down the two numbers, that is 96. The number on top is 6. Double 6, we get 12. Now, put a number along with 12 and multiply by itself. So, if you multiply 121 with 1, we are not going to get this. Then 122 into 2, still not, we won't get this because this is 121, this is 244. 123 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 69, 124 into 4, 4 4 is 16, 6, 1 carry, 4 2 is 8, 9, 4 1 is 4, 496. So we find that 124 into 4 is 496, the remainder is 0. So we can say root of 4096 is 64.